Guys, welcome back to another latest and urgent update of the Cardano. This video is very important for all Cardano holders because in this video we are going to discuss the future, the tomorrow price analysis, price prediction of the Cardano area. So my friends, never miss any second of this video and keep watch complete. And also, if you are new on my channel, if you want a cryptocurrencies news, so make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, let's begin. Let's go ahead. First of all, the currently live price of the Cardano in the market is 1.27 USD dollar. There is the currently latest price of the Cardano in positive 0.59% the price increase. My friends, you know what? That is just the last 2 hours price update of the Cardano area. 2 hours update. And 1.28 USD dollar is the highest price of the Cardano. So you can see, my friends, that 1.28 USD dollar is the highest price in the last 2 hours, and now the currently price of the Cardano is 1.27 USD dollar. So my friends, you can see here on this time the price of Cardano is 1.27 USD dollar, and now the currently price is 1.27 USD dollar. So you can see, my friends, the last 1 hour the price pump, and the next latest last 1 hour the price dumps. So my friends, it's time to wake up in the market, so be alert and be safe. My friends, now only I think 1 day remaining in this month. So my friends, I recommend for everybody that wake up in the market. Just look here, latest update about cryptocurrencies market. If the Cardano price more falls down, if the Cardano price falls down for the next 4 hours, 5 hours, so I think I decide for everybody to sell your Cardano coin, because the price will be dumps more if the price falls down more than 4 hours, my friends. So active in the market, and please also subscribe my channel. I will try to give you a latest update about cryptocurrencies, especially Cardano update. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe updates.